Feels good to be in the sun again. You and me, we could do big things on the run again. Chasing all our dreams for the fun of it.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. Well, today this is the look we'll be creating. This is a purple smoky eye look, and I really love this look. So if you guys love this look as much as I do, then keep on watching, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It's actually free. I keep telling people it is free, like there's no money involved. Just subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and you can also share it to help a sister out. If you want to see more of me outside of YouTube or Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, I'm gonna leave my handle here so you can always follow me. Let's chat, let's talk, and everything else. So I'm gonna leave you guys now. This look, I really love it. I hope you do. You see that glow? Give it a thumbs up for that glow. Yeah. So guys, today we're going to be starting off with the eyes. So this is the first color I'm going to be using. This is a pale pink shade. You can't really see it on camera, but this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to blend that all over my crease. So I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. I'm going to go into this shade, and I'm going to apply that on my lid. So now the eyes are done, I'm going to put on my lashes and I'm going to apply my foundation, and I will be right back. So guys, I just applied my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I'm just blending it all over my face with my beauty blender. Stop guys, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro concealer under my eyes, my forehead, and on my nose. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend it in. So now my concealer is blended, I'm going to go into my benign banana powder, and I'm going to set my face underneath my eyes, my forehead, and my nose. Then I'm going to go into my melanin loose powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. And I'm going to use the melanin powder to set the remaining side of my face. After setting my face, I'm going to go into my Zaron face definer, and I'm going to use that to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and the tip of my nose. So I also added a bit of blush on my face, and now I'm going to go in with my highlighter. I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my cheeks and my nose. So guys, the weather is really dry and my lips are chapped. So two things I'm going to do. I'm going to use a nude lip gloss. Nude because of the eye look, it's really dramatic. You don't want to do dramatic lips. That is up to you though, but for me, I want a nude lip, and it's going to be a glossy lip because my lips are chapped like I said, and I don't want these to get any drier than that. So I'll be adding just a random nude lip gloss. And this is the final look guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really love this look. I'm going to tell you guys, to be honest, this was not what I intended on doing, but when life gives you lemon, you make lemonade. So we ended up with this smoky eye look, and I really, 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 really love it. I just keep looking at myself and I'm like, wow, this look is the bomb. So if you like this look, you like this video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also watch my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Feels good to be in the sun again. You and me, we could do big things on the run again. Chasing all our dreams for the fun of it. We're holding on to things we can't see, but we're loving it. Ooh, your soul is glowing.